डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलची डेडलाईन जी हांवें दिल्या ही फक्त फातर्डेच्या लोकां खातीर न्ही पूण एंटायर सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाची. आज गोवा बेंच ऑफ द मुंबय हायकोर्ट आणि दखल घेतल्या की हेल्थ सेक्टरान मेजर सरकाराचे नेग्लिजन्स जाता. कोर्ट has taken note of this and they have started hearings in that. I want to now go to the court, attach my petition along with that petition, showing that the premier health institution of a district of South Goa is being neglected by the government. And I'll make an appeal to the High Court to call Vishwajit Rane and the Chief Minister to the High Court to answer for this. This will be my plea. I will push that Vishwajit Rane and Chief Minister should be called to the High Court because I feel this is a conspiracy to kill the people of South Goa. I am surprised that there is no unity on this issue. This is a very good issue for the entire district of South Goa. I think the ICU, PM Cares had given an ICU. We have seen that the ICU exists, but it has been shut down. There is no trauma unit. Anybody who meets with an accident in Konkani, in the Speaker's constituency of Konkani, is brought here as a referral hospital and then sent, repackaged and sent to the JMC to die. So in other words, the common man is unsafe on the district because the government has neglected this district hospital with a conspiracy that they can allot it to a private party. This is my charge and I am in the process of framing the case. In this week we will go to the High Court.
Vijay, it appears that people of Perne, along with the politicians, they all got united. They got the zone plan, scrapped. As far as district hospital is concerned, neither the politicians nor the people have come together from South Side of Korea. Basically, why this is happening?
The people of South Goa, especially of Salsette, are supposed to be the most revolutionary and most aware lot. तर कितेंय जालें जाल्यार साश्टीच्यान पयलीं उठप हें जाता. अपरायझींग म्हणटा तें साश्टीच्यान जाता. हे साश्टीचे ब्रीड ऑफ पॉलिटिशियन्स हे आतां आहा ते सारके थंड जाल्ले आहा सामके. They are living, they are chilled out, they are cool. One, they may have lost touch with reality, or they are too much into politics. These are public issues. We need to take up public issues to get re-elected. Many of our colleagues in the opposition are first-time MLAs, so they have not got elected second time. You get elected only if you take up public issues. This is the issue which is the most important. Health of an individual, of your voter, is the single most issue where you have to unite. And unfortunately, we are not uniting, so I am going to the court.
No, but your PIL may be fraught with danger. No?
Why?
If the High Court says yes, with certain subsidy, allow the private college, then what? So that will be.
No. See, the PIL will be done in such a way that first the government's intentions, which means the chief ministers as well as the health minister's intentions with regard to the premier South Goa district hospital, will have to be known to the High Court. What is their intention? Are they throttling it, killing it, give it to a private party, or they are just neglecting it because they don't have money? What it is? What is the actual official excuse for this?
Because people of Kenya, they came on the streets and stopped
No,
it.
we can come on the street also, but the point here is those who have to come on the street are the ones who are going to be the biggest beneficiaries. If today in Perne you go, those people who came on the street and have an election, those people who came on the street will win. Here, the people who are interested to win the closest election seem to be sleeping. So that is their issue. I cannot speak for them.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.